y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Well, guess what? We're heading home. This is Arizona 95. We are heading south. We're almost up here to Lake Havasu. And this is the final leg of our journey. You know, over 100 days ago, I think it's more than that, like 110, 15 days ago, is when I left Tyson Wells parking lot and we started across the California desert. I don't know if you remember, you can go back in the playlist and watch all these old videos. We ended up over in Oceanside. Remember the pier of Oceanside? Wasn't it just beautiful there? Then we went up, Santa Monica Pier, we seen that. Then all the way up into the Sacramento Delta, explored around there, seen all the bridges through the waterways. Just an amazing journey. Alright, there's the sign. Welcome to Havasu. We're getting that much closer. We are in Havasu right now. AZ 95 South. Then we seen the Golden Gate Bridge, and then started up the 101 all the way up through Northern California, and then how about Oregon coastline? That was incredible. All the state parks, all the overlooks, everything along the ocean. Then we ended that up there in Fort Stevens, where the shipwreck was. Remember the shipwreck? Then crossing the Astoria Bridge. Oh my, what is that? That was a skyscraper over the Columbia River. Alright, we're leaving Havasu. Still heading south on AZ 95. Then we followed the Columbia River all the way down. Seen the big ships. Went down all the way down through Mahala Falls. Seen the waterfalls. Definitely a summer full of memories. Be sure to check out the playlist, RV There Yet 2019. All the videos are posted on there. Bonneville Dam, Cascade Locks, then all the way down into Idaho. I will always remember that drive up through the Salmon River Valley, up through there, up through Idaho. That was just incredible. I won't ever forget that. That'll stick with me forever. What a beautiful drive that was. We made our turn across into Montana, all the way across there and into the Dakotas. Unreal. Hey, check out this section right here. We're crossing the Bill Williams River, and this is where the Bill Williams Preserve is. But look at the mountains here. You know, I've been driving this road for over 15 years, and I never get tired of this view. This is absolutely spectacular, especially early morning with the sun hitting it like it is. Matter of fact, if we get up here, let's stop and get a drone footage of this. Gotta say hi to the Lake Havasu and the Parker Dam area. Been a while. And is it heating up? Oh my goodness. I already got the air conditioner on at 8 in the morning. It's been under excessive heat warnings continuously here. Okay, there should be a pull-out up here. I can stop. I'm going to launch a drone. Let's get a quick drone shot of all this. Pretty area. This will work right here. Let's pull in a sec. Take a break. This place is just beautiful. Wait till you see it from the air. Okay, up we go. Okay, that up there is, I think they call it Havasu Springs Resort. They're all mobile homes out there in that low island, a lot of timeshares. There's a good look at Highway 95. That's looking down towards Parker. There's Lake Havasu, the bottom end of it. We've been following it for miles. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the mountains. There's that Bill Williams Preserve. That's a good little stop there, too, if you're ever in this neighborhood. And that's looking back up towards Lake Havasu. Unreal, huh? Beautiful. All right, sorry, I had to stop. I mean, look at this. Crystal clear sky with that morning sun. You're not going to find this very often. No one's on the road either. No one's down here right now. Wait till we get to Quartzsite. Oh, you can be emptier. All right, I'll get landed. We'll get back on the road. We're going home. Well, that was almost breathtaking, that view. That calm water with the mountains. From the air like that, that is just a sight to see. Okay, right up the road here is Parker Dam. We're going to go past it. We're not going to go across it. We're heading home down to Quartzsite. This is the final leg of our journey, the 2019 RV There Yet Travel Series. Here's the community of Parker Dam. And the dam is about a quarter mile off to the right. And the mighty Colorado River flows through here as well. Beautiful area. Then how about the time we had in Sturgis at Kickstand's Campground, going to see the rally? That was really something. And all the Black Hills of South Dakota as well. Mount Rushmore, even Crazy Horse. Then that Mammoth site where they put a building over the dig site. That was something to remember as well, too. Okay, up here on the right, there's Blue Water Casino, still here. That's a very popular all winter long casino. They're very RV friendly there. And we're getting into the big town of Parker, Arizona. We're getting close. We're 35 miles from Quartzsite right now. Alrighty, this should look familiar to you. Been through here dozens of times. This is Parker, Arizona. It's a busy town year-round. Boaters, they really get the boaters in the summer. The younger crowd out of California, all of the college kids, they all come here and fill up the RV parks. And then in the wintertime, it's all the snowbirds. Like 2 different seasons here. Okay, we're going to make a left here and continue on 95. Alright, we're leaving Parker. Right there to the left, right there is Shea Road. Matter of fact, Jamie, Enigmatic Nomadic, contacted me just a few days ago about the van build coming up. I'll be doing some more video work on it, some pre-vids, showing locations and all that. He's real excited. He's a good guy. Check out Jamie. Okay, we're getting close. Alright, here's the loneliest traffic light in the desert. This is the intersection. This is where 72 and 95 split. If you went straight, you'd go down through Baus and you'd end up down at I-10. But we're going to make a right, and we're about 18 miles from Quartzsite, right around there. Alrighty, I had to pull off a minute, switch camera batteries. Make sure I don't run out here. This is the final leg. This is it. We're heading down to the big town of Q Mountain, Tyson Wells, Quartzsite. It's been over 3.5 months since we've been here. Right up here on the left, right here is Plamosa Road. The famous Plamosa Road BLM land is right here to the left. I've filmed a lot out there, and we're going to do a bunch more this year. Then right up here, just about a mile or so up here on the left will be High Jolly BLM. We're almost into Quartzsite. We're almost back. Right here at this left-hand turn, that's the High Jolly BLM area. We'll be filming out here again. No one's there. Absolutely no one. It's got to be 100 degrees already. There's the cell tower right by the refuse station, Quartzsite refuse dump station there. We're almost back into town. Hang on, we're getting there. Here we are. We are absolutely back in Quartzsite. Yay! We did it. 3.5 months, 13 states, over almost 6,000 miles. There's a sign. Welcome to Quartzsite. We did her together. Over 100 videos I produced on this trip, and there's still more to come. I haven't finished them all yet. Check it out. No one's here. Everything's pretty much shut down yet. It's too hot. But it won't be long. It's almost 1st September. Some of these parks here stay open year-round. Some don't. Gotta call them. Look at the bank. 99 degrees at 9 in the morning. Woo! Every day, according to my phone, I've been clocking the weather here. It's been like over 110, 111, 112. One day is 115. But that's typical desert. It'll start cooling off here right after Labor Day. But we did it. We're back in Q. But not for long. Okay, this video here might end the summer series, but guess what? Don't unpack your bags. We're going to keep on trucking. I have about 3 or 4 days worth of stuff to do here. Not much, and you're going to see some of it. I'm going to video quite a bit of it. And then we're going to make some more journeys. Not as far as the summer trip, but we are still on the road. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. What other YouTube channels taking you as far as I have this summer? I don't think many at all, if any. There's Tyson Wells, there's the metal buildings. That's where the motorhome is, inside one of those metal buildings. That's why I gotta get it moved. But that was all planned before I left. I'm right on schedule. This is Q Avenue. We made it. We are back from where we started. First part of May. Unbelievable. Together, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, your support, and your kind words. All right. Talk soon.